Welcome to LOVEPLUSPET channel. Today we would like to discuss how do you treat a sprained wrist on a dog. When we think of wrist injuries, we don't often think of dogs, but just like a human, a dog's bones and joints are prone to injuries, including dislocation, strains, sprains, and even breaks, all of which may lead to severe pain and agony for your poor pup. Here are things you need to know about canine wrist carpal injuries. Made of 7 major bony structures, the carpus is located at the dog's forelimb. The carpus is the equivalent to the human wrist. Also, just like humans, a dog can hyperextend his carpus, leading to the potential collapse of the carpal joint. Carpal injuries occur when excessive force is applied to the carpus. Most dogs diagnosed with wrist or carpal injuries have suffered traumatic events like falling from a significant height, getting hit by a car, or getting involved in the wrong exercise. Pains from carpal injuries can cause your dog to limp, have swelling in the ankle, and show weakness in their foreleg. Sprains affect the ligaments that connect bones, especially those in the wrist and knee. Now let's talk about signs of a dog's sprained wrist. If you've ever moved your wrist the wrong way or rolled an ankle, you'll know that the discomfort can linger long after the incident takes place. Symptoms of your dog's sprained wrist include limping and favoring one leg over the other, swelling or redness of joints, lameness, swollen paws. If you identify that your dog is suffering from a sprained wrist, it's important to make an appointment with your veterinarian as soon as possible, in case it is signs of a more serious condition, such as bone degeneration. If your pooch has a sprained wrist, this is going to require some treatment, but the type of treatment that is necessary will depend on the grade of the sprain given by the vet. For example, grade 1st sprains mean that the ligament is torn and some of the joint remains working. If your pup has a grade 2nd sprain, there will be some more swelling and the joint is going only to be working partially. The worst case scenario is when your canine has a grade 3rd sprain. If your pooch has been classed as having a grade 2nd or 3rd sprain, the veterinarian may make a recommendation for your dog to have surgery. In other cases that are less severe, anti-inflammatory medicines can help your pup recover. They are able to take drugs at home to help with their recovery. During this time, a lot of rest will be necessary. This will involve limiting their exercise and playtime to allow the rest time to heal. If your dog is active and has high energy levels, this can be difficult. However, it is going to be necessary for their recovery. Therefore, you may have to use a crate to enforce resting time for a few weeks. There are dog wrist braces that are also available that can support your canine too. For example, these wraps and supports can allow your pup time to develop scar tissue over the injury. They support the wrist as well as the rest of the leg. They can relieve some discomfort for your pooch too. LOVEPLUSPET Extra Supportive Dog Carpal Brace can also be used for post-operative care. Front leg support for dogs can help stabilize the joint so the soft tissue can heal. First, it has bendable spring bars, provides support for sprained wrist while ensuring mobility. Second, in the construction process, the material used as a neoprene outer shell. Professional sports fabrics have perforated lining, more breathable to wear. You could look here, it has many air holes inside the products. These air holes can help air circulation and the wearing is more comfortable. There are 3 high-quality attached Velcro strips included inside this brace. They are stable, strong, and secure. They will not slide down or drop down. By letting your dog wear this brace, it will get better mobility. The key function of this brace is to support weakened joints and muscles, speed up the healing process. If you are interested to this brace, click the link below and buy it now. Thank you for watching.